Welcome to the India Smart Grid Forum, a globally reputed think tank established by Government of India in 2011 as a public-private partnership. Over the last decade, ISGF has been at the forefront of policy advocacy and technology demonstrations in the domains of energy transition, electric grid modernization, electric mobility, and digitalization of utilities. As in the past, during the last year, ISGF launched several groundbreaking initiatives that are reshaping India's electricity landscape. One such project is the Vehicle-to-Grid V2G demonstration, which will showcase how surplus power on the grid during off-peak hours can be stored in the batteries of electric vehicles and released back to the grid during peak hours to support the grid to balance supply and demand. This technology has been successfully demonstrated with 4 Tata Nexon EVs that have been retrofitted with bidirectional power modules. These EVs will be operated by 3 private discoms in Delhi and the Anert in Kerala. This technology has the potential to aggregate millions of EVs connected to the grid as virtual power plants, VPPs. This is first such demonstration in South Asia. Another first-of-its-kind solution we have demonstrated is the option to charge EVs with green electricity. Customers opting to charge their EVs with green electricity will receive a crypto token as the certificate of origin of the green electricity. And these tokens can be aggregated and used against emission offset targets or even traded on the carbon markets. This will go a long way in reducing the carbon footprint of transportation sector. ISGF has prepared a National Registry of Solar Rooftop Systems, which was launched by Honorable Minister of Power, Housing and Urban Affairs, Shri Manohar Lalji, at the Distribution Utility Meet in Lucknow on the 14th of November 2024. This registry lists and depicts each of the solar rooftop units connected to the respective distribution transformers, feeders, and substations. This visibility of solar systems and its capacity feeder-wise, distribution transformer-wise, and substation-wise help the discoms and system operators to efficiently manage the fast-growing solar rooftop systems in the country. This registry is expected to be adopted by MNRE and integrated with the new PM Surya Ghar Portal 2.0. The architecture of the registry is designed to include all the distributed energy resources connected to the grid in future. ISGF has recently undertaken a pioneering study and prepared an implementable roadmap for promotion of electric tractors. By electrifying the agricultural sector, we aim to reduce the carbon footprint to achieve net zero and promote sustainable farming practices as well as enhance farmer livelihoods. ISGF has undertaken 3 successful demonstrations of peer-to-peer (P2P) trading of green energy from solar rooftops on blockchain platform, which has led to new regulations promoting P2P trading in Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka. By empowering prosumers and consumers to directly trade renewable energy within their localities, we are creating green energy communities. Our latest experiment in Lucknow will soon demonstrate that prosumers and consumers can make the P2P transactions on digital platforms and settle the payment directly using digital payment methods, with minimum involvement of the discoms, while the meter data of such P2P transactions are securely stored in a blockchain-based data trust layer. Very soon we will see millions of people generating green energy on their rooftop solar systems and selling to their neighbors and friends. This is the first demo of digital energy grids, or the birth of energy internet in the world. We have also undertaken a successful pilot demonstration of asset mapping of 22 kV lines in Pune and Thane, using drones and advanced artificial intelligence-powered tools. This project was funded under the Aspire program of FCDO, UK government. ISGF has undertaken a detailed study on the impediments in development of renewable energy in the northeast region of India and suggested several implementable solutions how such impediments can be removed and renewable energy resources can be developed on fast track in the northeast region. After our stakeholder consultations and study report, 2 states have already issued enabling RE policies, and a leading business group has announced development of 5,000 megawatt of solar projects in the northeast region. ISGF facilitated the formation of All India Discoms Association, IDA, a not-for-profit society formed by the Discoms with support of Ministry of Power. IDA's objective is to bring all Discoms on a common platform to find solutions for several sectoral issues as well as help each other. IDA was officially launched by the Honorable Minister of Power, Housing and Urban Affairs, Shri Manohar Lal Ji, at the Distribution Utility Meet in Lucknow on the 14th of November 2024. In 2024, ISGF conducted 2 important training programs, a 3-day workshop on utility digitalization and performance improvement in Africa in February 2024 in Cape Town, South Africa, under the ESMAP program of the World Bank, which was attended by 70+ senior utility professionals from 30+ countries in sub-Saharan Africa. Another 5 days Digital Utility Manager training program in partnership with Imperial College, London, under the Aspire program of FCDO UK. This training program is now uploaded by Power Finance Corporation on the Karma Yogi portal of Government of India. During the last year, ISGF has taken large delegations of senior officials from India to international events such as DistribuTech in USA, Asia Clean Energy Forum in Manila, SIGRA Session in Paris, Enlit Europe in Milan, Electricity Day in Jakarta. At the India Smart Grid Forum, we are working on technological solutions to build the foundation for a greener, smarter, and more sustainable energy systems. Join us on this journey. Together we can power a sustainable tomorrow.